Welcome back to the channel, and now I'm need to download Lexmark CS720. So yeah, CS4 you type your side of the loop. That's why I'm search the official website for you. I'm like look for the official website. The official website not available. So easy to know for the official website. This here for official website Lexmark. Click here. That's why website loading. This here for the printer. You scroll down looking for the title, driver, and support. Click here for the title. And click here for the title, driver, and delete. This here for search by device model, and this here for the model print. You click find driver and delete. Click here. This here for the type your automatic operating system and my operating system for Windows 10. If you need change the operating system, you click here, and this here for the operating system support package for Windows 10. This here for recommended for you, and if you need change operating system, you click here, and this here for operating system for the Linux, Macs, and Windows. Let me show for the Mac, and this here for Mac version, you click here, and this here for update for Mac version. This here for Mac 12 11, and this here for Mac 13, and this here for Mac 10. And if you need like your Mac 12, you click here for Mac 12, and this here for driver for Mac 12, the printer and scanner. And I'm sure for the Linux, and this here for the Linux version, you click here, and this here for a Fedora 24, 24, 25. This here for 13.2, and this here for the 13.7, and this here for your update your Fedora version for the Linux operating system. And in this video, I'm need to download driver for Windows. I'm sure for the Windows, and this here for the version. You click here, and this here for the Windows 11 update your Windows 4, and this here for Windows 10, Windows 10, Windows 7, Windows 8 driver, Windows 8.1. This here for Windows Server support. And this video, I'm need to download driver for Windows 11. Click here for Windows 11 driver, and this here for that release support your Windows 11, and this here for the language English, and a recommendation for you to download for the package, and this here for the Lexmark printer software, and this is for the software. I am recommendation for you and universal driver, and this is for all support your software freeware, and this is for the the software the driver. And a recommendation for you, you download for the universal, and this here for universal print driver installation package for you. And I'm need to download here. Click here and click here for the driver. Click for the button start download. This here for your driver download. If you need install driver for the printer, you turn on the printer. You put cable USB printer to laptop or PC. Laptop or PC, take the USB cable printer, and please wait finish driver download. If you finish driver download, you double click here, or you click here. You click open. You double click file. You click next. Finish. This here for the take automatic USB cable printer. Okay, if you need question, comment below. If you need link below description. Thank you for watching, like and subscribe. Join us. Bye. Thanks.